What's going on? Welcome back for another video. My name is Hunter. I will be your host today, and today we will be diving into Aleph. This project looks super interesting. I recently came across it, and I thought I should definitely share it with you guys. So let's get straight into it. So looking at their homepage here, we can see that they are a cloud computing platform for DeFi and Web3. So basically what Aleph does is it allows your blockchain-enabled app to securely access trusted off-chain data or computation within a couple lines of code, which is very, very important. As we can see, it's blockchain agnostic, low cost, lightning fast, and trustless. So what's super neat too about this project is the cross-chain compatibility. So as we can see, we have Ethereum, Tezos, Polkadot, Cosmos, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, AVAX, and Polygon. So you may be asking why someone would want to use Aleph. You are able to build dApps without centralized components, which is so important to allow the future of Web3 development. So data storage and business logic runs on an unstoppable decentralized network instead of a centralized service such as AWS or Google Cloud. This is the first generation of fully decentralized apps. Now looking over here to the right, we can see the use cases. For example, we have Solana indexing, DEX order books, document certification, KYC metadata, NFT metadata, which is huge, and document management systems, cloud storage, and real-time dApps. And now looking at some additional features, we have a DID framework where a single ID controlled from a single wallet to read and write data to any of the supported chains, which is very, very huge for Web3 adoption. Below we have plug and play SDK, build with ease with their JavaScript and Python client libraries. IPFC compatible, Aleph file storage supports IPFC and decentralized pinning services. GDPR compliant, forget feature available, and users can selectively store data in nodes located in the EU. Looking to the right, they have seamless dApps, Web2-like user experience, and Web3 infrastructure. Free and hassle-free transactions, which is so big to onboard Web2 users to Web3. They also have open source code, which is very important basically to see and allow others to audit the project, and basically all users own their data within Aleph. Now taking a look at some of their backers, they have Stratus Technologies, Alameda Research, Rarestone, Alipidi, Token Ventures, Thea, and many more. And now looking at the partners below, Ubisoft, which really sticks out and caught my eye, Synapse, Request, Delchain, Serum, which is an amazing DEX, Jarvis, and Phantasma Chain. So most importantly, looking at their real-world use cases, we have document certification, guarantee document uniqueness and authenticity when storing them on Aleph's trustless system, real-time dApps, build real-time dApps without off-chain work, rounds that work across multiple chains. Socials, make your social media app censor resistant. Think of it as an unstoppable Twitter, which I absolutely love. To the right, we have KYC metadata. KYC meets DID, seamlessly onboard new users. A single KYC can now be used multiple times. Also, a use case is web hosting. Host your static website built in HTML plus CS plus and JavaScript on Aleph.im network. Also, DEX order books, decentralized exchanges order book running on their unstoppable decentralized DB, NFT metadata, fully decentralized NFTs made possible by storing NFT metadata on their decentralized data storage system. And lastly, document management systems, their in-house customized DMS running on their decentralized file and storage database. Now taking a look at how they are supercharging DeFi with their cross-chain composability, interoperate with project built on any of the supported chains, which is absolutely crazy, interchain liquidity, access assets of all supported chains, full decentralization, remove centralized dependencies such as cloud databases such as AWS or Google Cloud, and interchain user database, onboard users of all supported chains. And then what's super neat below is they do have a great staking APY sitting at currently around 16%. Now taking a brief look at the roadmap, I absolutely love this, how they basically have some data points and objectives set for 2024 and 2023, which is super important to see basically teams thinking long term. And looking over to the right in 2021, as you can see, they hit all their objectives within their roadmap, which is very impressive. And over here to the left, we can see some that they accomplished in Q1, such as Solana Lending Protocol Indexers, Swim.io indexing, Port Finance Indexer, load balancers on Aleph Cloud, Tezos integration, monitoring Aleph VM executors, and an incentive for resource nodes hold Aleph. And as you can see, they're still working in Q2 and have quite a bit more lined up heading into Q3 and Q4 of this year. Now checking out some of their live D apps, they have Aleph Explorer, they have blogging D app known as Alpha, My Aleph Preview, Token Swap D app, and Staking D app, and Star Name, which is decentralized usernames. Also, they provide some great information on nodes and staking, and it's great here too. You should definitely check out their staking tokenomics. And my favorite part here is all the exchanges that they are listed on. This is honestly crazy to see for such a new project, in my opinion, to see Uniswap, KuCoin, SushiSwap, FTX, Pancake, Radium, Paraswap, Balancer, 1inch, Gate.io, and Serum, and Bancor, and many, many more. Now taking a look at the core team, it's always important to evaluate the team, and I love how they all have their LinkedIn set up and their Twitters, which is super neat, so everyone can go follow them and stay up to date on what they're building individually and what they're doing for Aleph. So here we are as the team right here. As you can see, solid core team, and it's also great too to see 4 advisors on their team as well, advising them, putting them in the right direction to help this project grow and really make a name for itself in Web3. Now taking a look at indexing, Aleph.im is a decentralized virtual machines with a great indexing feature. So Aleph.im is a production-ready decentralized storage and computing network. Our company has built solutions for major players such as Ubisoft, Polygon, Synapse, and Request, and they are on a mission to help any protocol and DApp decentralize up to the last mile, enabling a smooth transition into Web3. Beyond Aleph.im's strong infrastructure layer, they also have developed a modular components on top of their systems to give a competitive advantage in becoming the leading provider of truly decentralized and user-friendly indexing solutions for blockchains. Now scrolling down to, they give some wonderful visuals so you can really see how the indexing process works and Aleph as a whole. Looking at Aleph's architecture, we can see the multiple solutions that they developed within their program. So starting off, we can see the solution stack, which layers structure with the whole solution, which is Aleph as a whole. Down here, we can see their off-chain peer-to-peer network layer, which is a custom network powered by core channel nodes. Also, we have the cross-chain layer architecture, basically where there's blockchains enable interactions with the Aleph network. And down here, we have the cross-chain layer architecture, which is the core channel nodes and resource nodes that power the network. Now, looking at the price of Aleph, we can see it's currently sitting around 26 cents. And what I do love even more is the circulating supply is sitting around 41%, currently at around 205 million. And most importantly, a total supply of 500 million Aleph tokens will be distributed. So that is great to see for price action and long-term growth within the network. Also, as we can see looking at the chart, I do think this will definitely rise up to at least 80 cents, which would be around a 3x once we enter a bull run again. And overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Aleph is a great project from what it looks like, and I think there's a lot more to come. I will be dropping all the links down below and their social handles, so definitely make sure to go check them out. Want to say thanks again for all the support on the channel. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to leave a like and sub if you look forward to seeing some more amazing projects that are under the radar currently in the Web3 ecosystem.